so excited. Got a 104mm L lens. I'm going to do the unboxing of this lens. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to open this Canon L lens 24-05. I'm so excited. It is a used one, so I did get this second hand. It's an LP1290L lens. So this is your premium product, really, tell you the truth. Your image stabilization, ultrasonic, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to open this up, tell you the truth. So let's get it opened up and see what's inside. So if I open up the lid, okay, so I've opened it up. So you've got your manual. So there's your manual. So your 24-105mm f4 L lens user guide. It tells you all about the lens. So there's not that much information really. There's most of it's in a few different languages, and it gives you your information regarding how to use this particular lens. So have a read of that. Okay. So here's the lens. I'm going to grab this, and it does come in this packaging, which is usually sealed. So please do check the seal. And here is your ultrasonic 24-105mm lens, image stabilization as well. Also in the box you've got a lens cap, really nice, to tell you the truth. So if I just open this up as well, so yeah, it's a Canon ultrasonic lens which you've got at the top of your camera for your photography. You use this, like for example, if it's raining or snowing and you're capturing images where you know there's going to be some stuff that might go on it, so you use it for that. Okay, so your ultrasonic L lens, and I'm dead excited to get this attached to a DSLR, so I'll do that as well, and we'll take some pictures and see what the quality is like. So let's get this attached and see what it's like. Okay, I've got a Canon 5D Mark IV over here, and I want to attach this L lens onto this camera. So I'm just going to literally take the cap off this camera first of all. So just take the cap off, grab this one, take the cap off this one as well, just twist it, and then what you need to do is you need to line the dots. So the dots, there's a red dot there. Okay, just align the two red dots and just put it in, and then turn it clockwise, and you hear a little click. Once you hear that click, that means the lens is now attached and you're ready to take some photographs. So now that I've got this all set up, let's take a few photographs and let's see what they're like. Right, I've got the lens attached, so there's these flowers here, so I'm just going to take a few pictures of these and we'll see what they're like. So I've got I'm shooting in auto, I'm not putting in manual settings. I've just going to demonstrate the picture quality in autofocus, image stabilization with this L lens on this Canon 5D. So let's take a few photographs. Okay, I'm just going to take a few more, see what they look like. I'm not going to edit these in post as well, I'm just going to leave them as they are. Okay, so I've taken a few pictures, we'll see what the results are, let's see what they're like. Okay, now you've seen the quality of the images. It's definitely worth getting yourself an L lens as opposed to a standard kit lens, because it's going to make a huge difference to the overall quality of your videography and photography. They are a hell of a lot more expensive than your standard kit lens, but it is worth getting an L lens as opposed to a standard kit lens or a zoom lens, because the glass that you use is going to make a huge difference to the overall quality of what you take. So thanks for watching. Any questions, please do post, and I'm happy to respond to anything that you guys might have.